We are back and I'm looking for my script. Hi, last time we learned how to convert a PDF file into a Word document. I'll put a link to that video in the description box, and there will be a card that will pop up around this place. So today we are going to edit a PDF using 5 methods. Out of those 5 methods, 3 will involve us using softwares which are locally installed in our PC, and out of those 3 softwares, 2 require a paid subscription. So the other one is a free software, so we can just get that directly. And also we are going to use online tools. Those are 2 websites. One of them basically does much of the things but not everything, and the final one is my best recommendation. It's my go-to website, so stick to the end. So both websites are free to use, and they don't have a limitation as to how much of the features you can access. Okay, enough introduction, let's start. The first one is a paid application, that's Adobe Acrobat. So if I want to load a file, I'll just click on File, then Open, and it will open a file picker. I'll go to where I have stored my PDF, and then I click on Open. It will load the PDF I want to load. So in this PDF, in case maybe I want to edit anything, I'll go to Edit tab, then go down to Edit Text and Images, and it will load depending on the size of the PDF or the details the PDF contains. And we can now see we have so many things we can do now. For example, I can edit, I can delete, I can add a text, it's a text box. I can add an image. Maybe I have my signature saved as an image. I can click on that and place it anywhere I want. I can actually resize it and even move it around. I can decide to crop an image, to put a link, edit a header and a footer, put or remove a watermark. And when you click on more options, we can remove or add a background and so many other options there. These are all the features that you get with Adobe Acrobat, the Pro version. So let's go to the next one, and in the next method you're going to use Microsoft Word. You might have it, or you might decide to buy one. It's a paid application too. So if I want to open a PDF or if I want to edit, I'll just drag and drop. It will prompt me to convert to Word first, and once we are done, we can edit anything we want and then save it back as a PDF. So we did a video on this, and I'm not going to dwell much on it. So the other method is by using LibreOffice. It's similar to Microsoft Word. It has so many other applications within the same suite. So one of the applications it has is LibreOffice Draw, and we can use this to edit a PDF. All we have to do is click on File and then Open, or use the shortcut Control O to open a new document. We click on the document we want to edit and then click Open. To take its time to load, and now we can do so many things with it. So let's zoom in and so that we can see what we are working with. We can edit anything. We can actually even move the text around. There's so many options on top here we can be able to utilize to edit or refine our PDF. So that's it for the applications. Now let's go to online tools we can use to edit a PDF. The first one I would suggest is I love my PDF. The reason I like this website is it has so many options. There's so many other things apart from editing a PDF that you can do in one place. So we're interested in editing a PDF, so we'll click on Edit a PDF. Then it will take us to this page where we will select our PDF. Once we click on Select PDF File, our file picker will help us navigate to where the file is. So we click on Open, and it will take some minutes to load, some seconds actually, depending on the size. So here we have several options. We can pan, we can zoom out, we can zoom in, we can fit the page to the length, we can actually add a text, we can add an image, and we can even resize the image. We can draw, We can add shapes. We have a line, we have a rectangular shape, we have ellipses, we have symbols. Here we can even put an emoji. So those are the options that you have with this online tool. Let's go to my favorite one. This is one of the best, and I use this all the time because of the flexibility and the tools it has. So the website is searchda.com. Once you click on searchda.com, it will take you to this homepage. You can click on edit a PDF document if that's what you want to do. You click on it, so it will take us to this other page where we can upload our PDF. So after loading, these are the options we have. We can add a text, we can add links in the document. We actually have some options to make a form here. We can add an image, we can add a signature, where if we need to input our signature, we can click on add new, or we can just use the one that's here. We have a whiteout, where if I want to white out the whole of this area, I just highlight, and once I let go the mouse, the whole place will just disappear. You can decide to annotate, so add shapes, and we can find and replace. If this is something we need, or this a word we need to replace, we can use this. You can also undo, in case maybe you did something and you want to go back to the initial stage, you can use that option. And then after applying the changes, it will process, it will take time, and then it will give you an option to download. Once you download, you'll find your file with all the changes that you made. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching up to the end. Give us a like and a subscription. And if there's some tools that you use to edit your PDFs and we've not mentioned them in this video, put that in the comment region down there, and we'll be happy to see other options that we have. Thank you, and see you in the next one.